Well, we got a fun one today. We're gonna head over by Flaming Gorge. A couple of my friends were out here last week and said they just caught so many fish, had a great time. So we're gonna go check it out, do a little camping tonight. Heck yeah, I'm stoked. This is the campsite I was hoping I would get. Be right on the water right here. This is awesome. How level are we? Ooh, pretty good right there, actually. Super silty from the high runoff, but still fishable. I'm gonna walk down to kind of the channel where the lake starts as well and fish that. Oh no! Just the bag. So I think I'll walk down and fish for a little bit. It's 2:30 right now. Then I'll come back and set up camp and get ready to cook dinner. Oh yeah, that's better. It's hot out here today. Austin said they were catching them on green leeches, so that's what we're gonna start with. I sat down and tied up a bunch last night. If you fly fish and you haven't seen Soggy Sleeves' channel, you need to go check that out. That's my buddy Austin. He's been fly fishing since he was born, basically. Super smart dude, incredibly chill. He makes awesome content. I'll put a link down to his channel down in the description. Except for it's super silty. Okay. We survived. Let's try this. Fish on. Feels like a nice little fish. He's thick, boy. Nice fish. See you, bud. All these fish are pretty good size. Oh, that's a carp. Good night, dude. That was good timing. We all of a sudden caught fire here. So when the water's like this, pretty choppy, I usually will just kind of leave it alone. If it's smooth, that's when I start slowly stripping it in or kind of doing the figure eights in my hand, pulling it back. There it is. Oh, there he is. There he is. Another nice bow. All it is very simple pattern. I used to put a feather underneath it, but I stopped doing that, and I just kind of do the dubbing in such a way that it leaves a nice long skinny tail. If you look at a leech, that's kind of the profile that they have. You don't have to be in a hurry to recast. You can't put any more action on it than what's already getting from the chop. A lot of these fish have been somewhat close, so just let that blow right back in your face. You know, I never really fly fished lakes, reservoirs until just a few years ago. Soggy Sleeves taught me. Then we started going to Pyramid Lake, now it's kind of my preferred way of fishing. It's very calm, very relaxing. You don't have to move a lot. Like I said, fly fishing dries on small streams is a blast, but this is a very productive way of fishing. I wasn't really paying attention. These fish got a lot of fight in them, that's for sure. Well, that was a pretty productive afternoon. I'm gonna give them a break for a while and go set up camp, maybe get something to eat, because I don't think I've eaten yet today. But I'll give them a break for a little bit. Maybe I'll come back tonight for sure. We'll come back to this spot in the morning. This is by far the best camp spot. I've seen a lot of people driving by upset that there was somebody here already. Well, I was gonna cook outside, but the bugs are kind of out of control. With the ventilation that I've put in here, it's actually pretty comfortable. Mesh screens on both sides, and we got the mesh screen in the back. We got this little fan going. So it was about 75, 80 degrees out there today, and let's see, 78 back here right now, so that'll just continue to cool off as the sun goes down. Luckily, I've got this kitchen set up in here that I can cook back here now. So we're gonna do that. I baked up some sourdough this morning, and woo! I just cut off a corner of it for myself, left the rest with my wife. We're gonna make some tuna melts out of this tonight. Last wipe. Have to add that to the shopping list. Yeah. All right, let's get out our ingredients here. We got a little bit of mayo, some cheese, somewhere in there. There's a can of tuna. There we go. I cut up some pickles and some pepperoncinis earlier. It's kind of turned into a mess, but that's exactly what we want to put in the tuna melt. I was gonna just dump this tuna juice, it's just water, outside, but then that would attract the bugs even more. So I think I'm just gonna drink it. I don't have anywhere to dump it in here. I've never drank tuna juice before. It's just tuna water. It's not that bad. I thought that might be weirder than it was. You guys might think it was weird. Probably cut that a little bit thicker than I wanted, but that's okay. I forgot butter, so we're just gonna do some avocado oil in there. Uh-oh. Whoa. A little burnt, but it's gonna be all right. These little grills always cook so dang hot. I've got it like on the lowest setting here. Oh, buddy. Oh, it's hot. All right, we're gonna make one more here. This is the first thing I've eaten today. That wasn't on purpose. I just got so busy I didn't stop to eat. Ask anybody that knows me personally. Until I get food, I can be a monster. You guys know that trick of how to melt your cheese? Take your water. Steam that bad boy up. Woo! Look at that melt. Can you tell I'm excited about this dinner? Oh, I probably should have eaten. Let's dive into this. Let's start with this big boy. If I eat this side, that's great. This one's dedicated to my mom. She told me that she made a tuna melt like a couple months ago, and I've been eating them religiously since then. On the sourdough that I've been baking, this is next level. I like the little kick of the pepperoncinis in there too. It literally doesn't get better than this. Look at this. I don't know about you guys, but like, this is kind of the ultimate for me. Good food, good fish today, amazing campsite. Literally the only thing that can make this better is having my wife and my little boy here. We'll start doing some trips with him soon. It's not a proper tuna melt without some kettle cooked chips. It's been a while since I've been like this excited about food. I like cooking back here. This is the best camp kitchen organizer. Dude, that was an A+. Everything's gonna smell like tuna in here. Well, I was gonna go maybe back out for a little bit and catch the evening bite, but I think what I'll do is tie up some green leeches and then wake up early and go fish the sunrise. Such a nice night, might as well sit out here and tie. This is just my cheap travel vise. It works all right for this setting. I think this is where you're supposed to tie flies, is right next to the river as the sun's going down. Sun's going down fast. I think I'll get these started because there's a step where I have to glue them. Then I'll finish them in the back of the truck. Seemed like a good idea when I was sitting back there. Now I don't think I can see anything. Let me grab the headlamp. Hey, I can see. Like I said, I used to get really crazy with these and add all types of different things, and all I've done is I've gone to just doing dubbing and doing a lot of dubbing work with them to get them really long and slender. Well, I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna get ready for bed. Well, I'll see y'all in the morning. Good night. Well, the plan wasn't to sleep in, but that's what happened. I could tell last night I was exhausted and I slept right through my alarm. So I'm gonna get my fishing gear on and head over to that same spot I was at yesterday, see if we can catch some more before we have to go home. Quick caffeine source this morning. All right, same spot as yesterday. I'm gonna start with this little golden one that I was catching a few on yesterday, but I'm gonna have a low threshold for switching over to those green ones that we tied up last night. First one of the day. That didn't take too long. On that leech that we tied up last night. Oh, he's a good one. Good size. There, buddy. Let's get that out of your mouth. Oh, nice fish. Have that leech back, good sir. Hey, buddy. Zoom on here. He took that one right as soon as it hit the water. I had barely casted. Hey, bud. Bobber down. Oh, he ran right towards me. Whoa! Oh, he spit it. That was awesome. Woo! That guy was not going to be brought in by any means. This is a nice one. Maybe even bigger than that first one we caught. Not quite as big. Just a big fight. Come here, bud. Not bad. Got another one. I was just letting it sit out there. Oh, this is a good fish. I haven't seen him yet, but he's decent sized. Putting up a good fight. Oh, it's one of these suckers. I don't know why their mouths freak me out so much. Oh, long line release. I'm okay with that. Nice one. Bobber down. Oh, he's running towards me. Woo, woo. Well, it's been exceptional fishing this morning. I know that if I don't give myself a cutoff, I'll just stand out here all day. So I better head back and get camp picked up and get on the road. Got that 3-hour drive ahead of us still, so we'll head back to camp. Well, everybody, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. And if you want to see more content like this, then hit that subscribe button. Much love, respect to you all, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks, everyone.